ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ, ಪಾಲಕರೇ ಮತ್ತು ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರೇ. ಇವತ್ತು ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ರೀ ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಆ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಮೊದಲು ಈ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಈ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪೇಜ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಒಂದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ದ ಗವರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ದ ಕಾಲೇಜಸ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಫಾರ್ PU1 and PU2. Right, but by following the SOP, they have given SOP and you need to follow that. And for this purpose, they have divided the colleges into two parts. One is the college where the places where the positivity rate is less than 2 and more than 2. Okay, so where less than 2, they can start immediately physical classes, and where the positivity rate is more than 2, they can continue with the online class and they need to wait for the instruction from the government. And after that what they have said is, they have given the list of the places where the positivity rate is more than 2 and less than 2, for the reference. Okay, and they have given the what all protocol need to be followed. First, they have said that when the strength is more, if the strength is more than 100 in a college, they have to divide the classes into two parts. First 3 days 50% strength, and next 3 days 50% strength. And for the 50% strength which attended physical classes for the first 3 days will be attending the online classes for the next 3 days, and vice versa for the other batch also. And the next is where the strength is less than 100 and the classrooms are spacious. There what they can do is, they can start college in full-fledged way. That means they can start with the full syllabus with full strength. There is no need to make any division like 50% and 50%. Okay, but what is the necessary condition is, all the students must bring a letter which states that their parents have permitted to attend the classes, and even the format of that is also been attached to this circular. And the students should not be provided with any breakfast or water in the college premises. Everything should be brought from home. Okay, and if any student is not willing to attend the physical classes, then they must attend online classes. You cannot escape from it. Okay, then they have also instructed that on the basis of the availability of the faculties, the space available, and the strength of the college, you need to decide your classes. You need to arrange your classes, and even for the labs also they have given the same thing. So with this circular you will find 3 attachments. One is the places where the positivity rate is less than 2, and the place where the positivity rate is more than 2, and the format of the letter. Okay, so thank you very much. I hope this notification has helped, this video has helped you, and if it has helped you, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much.